Disassembly tips. Ensure that you take the following precautions when disassembling a unit. Label each cable as you remove it, noting its position and routing. This will make replacing the cables much easier and will ensure that the cables are rerouted properly. Keep all screws with the component removed, if applicable. The screws used in each component can be of different thread sizes and lengths. Using the wrong screw in a component could damage the unit. If the unit contains light-sensitive components such as motherboard, memory module, CPU, hard disk drive, graphic card, store the component in its original ESD packaging to avoid damage. Please read the description below for more details about tools used to removal and replacement, static electricity.
Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, right trunk, and right support bracket. Removal. Carefully disconnect the fan cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the 4.5mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the fan to the top cover. Lift the fan off of the alignment pins on the top cover, slide it out from under the heatsink, and remove. Replacement. Tow the fan under the heatsink and lower it onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the 4.5mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the fan to the top cover. Connect the fan cable to its connector on the system board.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.